All right, we kick off our birthday list.
Time for...
I guess I'm going to talk with you, Chris.
It's time to celebrate those birthdays.
Yeah.
Hey, that's all right. I'm here to share. I'm happy to help out. We begin in Parsons with Maxton Collins, who's turning 3 years old today. A very happy birthday to you, Maxton.
All right, and we've got Rome Huffman celebrating birthday number 6. Rome, happy birthday.
And we've got Cole McCormick turning 7 in Columbus today. Very happy birthday to you, Cole.
Pierceland Walker celebrating birthday number 8 this year in Miami.
And we've got Olivia Butler turning 13 today. Happy birthday, Olivia.
Okay, Lily Baker celebrating birthday number 15 this year in Oswego.
And we've got Tanner Stone turning 15 in Pittsburgh, and this comes with love from Dad and Charity. Happy birthday to you, Tanner.
All right, up next we've got one of our many four-state heroes serving as a private first class, Thomas Nye Swanger, who's now 25 years old in Fort Scott, with love from the family.
We've also got Julie Jones in Girard celebrating birthday number 36 today. Happy birthday to you, Julie.
All right, and turning 41 this year, Stephanie Otter. Happy birthday, Stephanie.
And we've additionally got Melinda Wilson turning 47. She's also known more commonly as Mandy around Joplin. A very happy birthday to you, Mandy.
All right, out in Chanute, Miss Marilyn Manley turning 49 years old this year. Happy birthday, Marilyn.
And another birthday in Chanute, Dan Collins turning 68 years old. Dan, happy birthday.
And Marie Clark in Columbus. Happy birthday, Marie.
We've also got Kim Mitchell celebrating a birthday in Riverton, and this comes with love from the family. Happy birthday, Kim.
And let's see, she's in Riverton, and then just nearby in Baxter Springs, Sherelle Price celebrating with the birthday crown. I like that.
We've also got Ron Carver celebrating a birthday over in Iola. Ron, happy birthday to you.
And it's a golden anniversary for the Majors. Congratulations on 50 years of wedded bliss for Bruce and Carol. And look at how lovey-dovey smiling they are. Love it.
We've also got David and Marlene Clark celebrating their 57th wedding anniversary in Crestline. Happy anniversary, you two.
That's a cool truck there. I like that. And to top that, we got 69 years together in Mulberry, Kansas for Bill and Clarice Sweezy. A lot of big anniversaries. Love it.
Yeah, hey, love is forever, they say. We've got Robert Herder turning 100 years old. 100! We got to get his secret here. He's in Chanute. He's a resident at Guest Home Estates, and he's also one of our many four-state heroes. And he's also a former highway patrolman. So happy 100th birthday to you, Robert, in Chanute.
All right. And our very own Miss Sonia Parker. She makes and creates a lot of the commercials you see here on KOAM. Hope you have a wonderful day today. Enjoy your birthday.
And last but not least, we've got Bob Cooke celebrating a birthday in Columbus. Bob, very happy birthday to you.
All right, if you have a birthday or an anniversary, you can submit them to us at birthdayswithan.s at KOAMTV.com or log on to birthdays@KOAMnewsnow.com.
And while you're there, make sure you sign up for the KOAM Birthday Club. You get some excellent deals from local businesses, and it's so easy to do. All you have to do is go to KOAMnewsnow.com and sign up for the KOAM Birthday Club. So, we've been talking about back to school.